In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trade Forex on Plus500. By the end, you'll feel confident navigating to the right place, choosing a currency pair, deciding whether to buy or sell, setting your trade amount, and placing the order with a clear understanding of what each choice means. First, head to the Trade or Market section. This is your hub for all available instruments. Whether you're on desktop or mobile, look for a tab or menu labeled Trade or Markets. That's where Plus500 lists everything you can trade in one place. Next, select the Forex or FX category. Forex stands for foreign exchange, and it's where you'll find currency pairs. Once you're in, you'll see popular pairs like EUR, USD, GBP USD, and USD JPY. Each pair shows how much of the second currency you need to buy one unit of the first. For example, EUR/USD tells you how many US dollars equal 1 euro. Take a quick moment to notice the price quotes updating in real time and the spread, which is the small difference between the buy and sell prices. That spread is effectively your trading cost to enter a position. Click on a Forex pair to open the trade screen. Here, you can view a price chart, current quotes, and key details about the instrument. This screen is your decision point. If you believe the first currency in the pair will strengthen against the second, you'll be looking to buy. If you believe it will weaken, you'll consider selling. Choose buy to go long or sell to go short. Going long means you profit if the price rises. Going short means you profit if the price falls. Make your choice based on your market view, understanding that Forex can be volatile and prices can move quickly, especially around major economic announcements. Enter your position size or trade amount. This determines how much exposure you're taking on the trade and influences your potential gains and losses. Make sure the amount aligns with your risk tolerance, and take note of any margin requirements or overnight funding information displayed on the screen so you know the full context before you proceed. When you're ready, click Confirm or Open Position to place the trade. Your order will be sent at the current market price, and the platform will confirm once it's active. From there, keep an eye on the market and your position status to stay informed as prices move. That's the full process. Go to Markets, select Forex, choose a pair, pick buy or sell, set your amount, and confirm. Trade thoughtfully, stay informed, and you'll navigate the platform with confidence.